this is a story all about how my life got twisted upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there, tell how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air in West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground. My mama said most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and all shooting some b-ball outside of school when a couple of guys that were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. Got in one little fight and my mom got scared, and she said, Auntie and Uncle in Bel Air. I whistled for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said fresh and had dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this cab was rare, but I thought, nah, forget it, your home's to Bel Air. I pulled up to a house about 7 or 8. I yelled to the cabbie, your home, smell you later. Looked at my kingdom, I was finally there to sit on my throne as the Prince of Bel Air. You can bow now. Okay.